Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have CUBOT P80 Pro and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To set it, open Settings application, in it first Network and Internet and there Mobile Network. There we have our data warming and limit, and there we can set our data mobile limits. First we can set when our sales start, maybe first day of each month or which day you prefer. Confirm by set. There we can by the switch turn on set data warming, and we can set in custom number in gigabytes, megabytes. And after we select it, we press set to confirm, and there by the switch set data warming limits and confirm all by OK, and there we can with the same style custom it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.